Hi, I'm Sue from Quilter's Paradise. A lot of people have been doing the jelly roll rug, and one of our goals in the quilting world here is to make quilting simpler. Well, I did the jelly roll rug and my arms got tired, there was a lot of pinning and all this stuff, and I said there's got to be a simpler way. We still want you to purchase the jelly roll rug pattern because we're not going to give you any of the tips on how to put it together, but we're going to give you some tips on how to make creating the actual tube easier. So one of the products, we call it the CutRite HandiGuide for strips. What this does is it guides the batting into the 2.5 so everything lines up perfectly. The other thing that we created is a batting strip. Now this is 1 1/4 batting strip and it's out of polyester. So it's puffier than the cotton, and we made it 1 1/4 because 2.5 made it way too thick. It didn't work, but by doing it as 1 1/4, it makes it real simple and gives you a quilt or a rug that looks like this. In a little bit, we're going to show you up front and up close how the actual two work together. Here's an up close of the HandiGuide for the strips, and as you can see, we have markings. We have 2 slits here. Those are for your 2.5-inch fabric strips. We have for your batting strips, we do have a 2.5 because there is a 2.5 roll out there. And we also have our 1 1/4, and I'm going to show you by using the 1 1/4. Okay, I have my fabric strip. It's a 2.5-inch strip. I need to put it so the wrong side is face up, the right side is face down. I'm going to go in through the bottom of the top of the 2.5, and then I'm also going to go through the top one. Okay. And so it's going to be resting just like this. Okay? Now I'm going to bring over the 1 1/4-inch batting, and I'm going to lift this up, put it through here, and pull it through. Okay? So I want you to see how it guides it. We keep everything straight, and this puts it in the center. Now I'm going to show you how to sew it together, because no pinning. If you've seen other of my projects, I don't like to pin. And we're going to roll this into the center, this one into the center, and then both of these over to the side, just like that. And I'm going to put it underneath the foot. I'm going to put my foot down. I'm going to move my needle over to the leftmost position. I am also going to put this more about like a 4.0 stitch length because it doesn't need to be super tight and it'll go a lot faster. So I just tug this down, keep pulling in like this. I do it with my needle down position. And here we go. And as you go, you just tug this straight, curl these in, and one thing that happens that's really nice is this tube that gets created is uniform. It will always be the correct size. There we go, just a little bit more. Now the thing is, I've got my roll over here, I've got my roll of fabric over on this side, okay? And you're just merging them together, and you're going to go all the way till you're finished with your roll. I'm sure you're going to have as much success as I do, and this will make it very enjoyable for you. Thank you for joining us. Subscribe to us on our YouTube channel and follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, and Instagram, because our goal is to make quilting simpler, and I'm sure we're going to come up with some more tools and projects for you.